Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now today I will show you 3 methods that you can use to take a screenshot in your phone. Now for the first method you have to just press your volume down key and power key at the same time. So just do it and you can see that will take a screenshot. If I do it once again, and it's done. Now just tap here to open your screenshots, and here it is. Now for the second method you have to swipe your hand from left to right, so just do it and you can see that will take a screenshot again. If I do it once again, and here it is. So just tap here to edit your screenshot. From here you can crop your screenshot, then tap on the save icon, and it's done. Now if you cannot take a screenshot using this second method, just open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to advanced features. From here go to motion and gestures and then scroll all the way down and then scroll down a bit, and at the bottom you can see palm swipe to capture option. You have to just enable this option from here. Then you can take a screenshot using this second method, and it's done. Now for the third method, just swipe from top to bottom. Now here on the control center you cannot find any screenshot option, so just tap on this pencil icon and then tap on edit, and here you can see take screenshot option. Then just touch and hold it and drag it to the control center and then tap on done and then go back. Now if you swipe from top to bottom again, now here you can see take screenshot option, so just tap here to take a screenshot and you can see that will take a screenshot. Now I will show you how to take a long or full page screenshot. Now if I open a long page, at first you have to take a screenshot. Then you have to touch and hold this arrow icon and you can see that will start taking a long screenshot. Now just release your finger and you can see it saved successfully. Now just open up your gallery app and then find screenshot folder. That's it. Here you can see your long or full page screenshot. And that is how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.